Check out this shirt printed with a brand new screen printing ink that is not only vibrant, but it also stretches with the fabric without cracking or peeling. Hey, it's Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails, and I'm excited to share that Speedball has a new line of screen printing ink called Flex Ink. This water-based ink comes in 11 rich, bold colors. The ink was designed to be flexible across a variety of materials, allowing your design to stretch and move with your garment. This is an exciting addition to Speedball's array of products. I have screen printed with their original line of screen printing ink for years, and even published my own ink recipe guides, sharing my formulas for mixing these inks. In this video, I'm going to share some of the shirts I've made with this ink using my beginner setup on my table. Be sure to watch my cleanup process and heat setting instructions later in the video. These steps were a little bit of a learning curve for me as they are different from the original Speedball inks that I'm used to. The Flex ink is a nice creamy consistency and spreads on the screen easily. I use this ink the same as you have seen in my past videos. I scoop a generous amount of the ink along the top of my screen. Then I pull the ink over the design 2 to 3 times with firm pressure on my squeegee. This mineral blue color is very vibrant on a gray shirt. Now let's look at using the white Flex ink on a darker color fabric. With just a simple setup like this on my table, you can get a bright white on your dark shirts. If you look really closely, the ink is opaque, but because this is water-based ink, it soaks into the shirt. You may see some of that shirt color coming through just slightly. The fuchsia ink color really shows how this ink pops on dark fabrics. If you want to take this ink to the next level, you can use a screen printing press. This press holds your screen and shirt in place so that you can lift and lower your screen in the same position each time. This allows you to squeegee your first coat of ink over and then lift the screen. Just like when I screen printed on the table, you see a little bit of the shirt color coming through. So to make this print even more vibrant, we can dry this layer real quickly and then add another coat of ink on top. Speedball does not recommend speeding up the drying process of this ink with the heat gun or hairdryer because it can cause the ink to crack, but I've found that in order to get a brighter white coverage, I need to dry the ink just a little bit so I can add another coat on top. I found that if I turn my heat gun to the lowest setting so I'm just blowing cool air, I can dry this for about 20 seconds. And then add one more layer of white ink on top. Now we have an even more vibrant white coverage, and it still stretches nicely with no cracking. What I love about this ink is not only does it stretch, but it's also a thin consistency that feels great on the shirt. It's not too stiff or heavy. Speedball's Flex ink is a water-based ink, so it can be cleaned up easily using water. This ink is highly pigmented, so be careful when you wash out your supplies as this ink can leave stains. Be very careful if you're using a utility sink or tub that might stain. The fuchsia ink in particular was hard for me to clean out, so I will probably wash these screens outside in the future. Once you've washed your screens out, you may notice stains or shadowing of the design left on your screen. This will not affect the next print using this screen. Just let your screen air dry and you'll be ready to use it again. You need to allow Speedball Flex ink to dry overnight before using heat to do a final cure. After you have left your shirts overnight to dry, use a heat press set to 300 degrees for 60 seconds. It's important that you use parchment paper on top of your design with this ink. Even though it's dry, this ink can transfer some of the color, so the parchment paper will keep this from getting on your heat press. If you don't have a heat press, you can use an iron. Set your iron to the setting corresponding to your fabric type, then move your iron over the printed area for 2 minutes. Speedball Flex ink is now bonded with the t-shirt and will remain vibrant wash after wash. The Flex ink will stretch with the fabric, leaving a design that will last as long as the shirt. If you're ready to start screen printing with your vinyl cutter, grab one of my Speedball starter kits and some of the new Flex ink.